Jerry.
Alright, what's going on, my people? Welcome to the SN95 Power channel. What we got going on today is we are going to get rid of the stick of justice. I had hood struts on this car before. I put the cowl hood on and I never installed the hood struts, so that's what we're going to do today. I have the old hood over there. So I need to drill out the old mounting points for the old struts and put them on the new cowl hood. So I'm gonna take some measurements off the old one, transfer that over here, and hopefully I get everything aligned right and I don't screw up my new cowl hood. All right, so I wanna get these rivets out, so just get a drill. Might need a bigger size bit, but that's kind of the process, is drilling them out like that. So let's see if I can do this with one. Oh, actually, before I do that, let me measure. Here to here, and that's 22.5. Oh, actually, it's 7/16. Yeah, I think it'd be safe. I think I'm safe if I do 22 and 7/16. All right, so now that we have that out, I need to find the rivets again and try to find like a test piece to make sure I have the right drill bit. All right, so this is what I mean when I say test piece. I wanna make sure. I think that's too big. All right. Yeah, I think that's a winner right there. So let's do this. That's it. So it just kind of dawned on me. I took the thing off and I'm like, maybe I should try to clean it up. Now, as I repeat myself, this is not a show car, but like, gosh, what's the channel supporter name? But he said this a long time ago, and it's always stuck with me. He's like, there's nothing wrong with having a clean car. So yeah, it's not a show car, but a little stuff that I can clean up, I'm gonna clean up. And I'm gonna try to clean this little thing up. Nothing hardcore, but you know, shine it up a little bit. I put some kind of sealant on it. Just throw a little white diamond on here just to clean it and seal it. All right, looks brand new. All right, those are my measurements. Those are my holes. We just need to put something over this hood or over this engine bay and drill it out. All right, small issue, but you can rectify it. All right, I just noticed this damage right here, and I think this is from my T-bolt clamp. So I gotta try to figure that out. All right, 22 7/16. So it's rinse, wash, repeat on this other side. this one was a little bit off, but we're gonna go back with the 22 and 7/16. We got both sides done, but you know, a player can mess up too, you know. Got a little bit too happy, wasn't paying attention, and went to the wrong spot. Luckily, I noticed it before I drilled those 3 holes. Special shout out to Spider-Man. Hey, any of my comic fans out there, can you name this villain and the human underneath the mask? Same with that guy. Name the villain and the human underneath the mask. But let's take this off and give it a try. So funny thing, here are the hood struts and here are my wiper arms. I almost got caught out in the rain yesterday and didn't have any wiper arms obviously, and I took them off and was like, originally, man, it looks so much better without these wiper blades on. I took them off, you know, because you know you got to move the cowl cover, I guess that's called. And when I saw them off, I didn't want to put them back on. But yesterday was a wake-up call, like, hey, you don't have a show car, you need wiper blades. So let's install the hood struts and give this a try. All right, here we go, y'all. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Oh. I love hood struts on SN95 Mustangs. It really cleans up the front part of this radiator core support area. And if you have SN95, you definitely should put some kind of hood struts on here. These are red line tuning. I am missing like the little retaining clips, so I do kind of have to be careful when I'm raising this up. I did have one of these pop off once before, but just getting some new clips should solve that. I gotta figure out why I cracked this right here. It's either the hood won't close because of this. I think the turbine is sitting on the turbine housing, which is causing this to sit up. I don't think it's this stud right here. I think it's more of, yeah, I think it's more of this right here, because this is further in, so it's not making contact. So yeah, it's that right there. There's nothing I can do about that except go with a smaller turbo. You know, this is a 76, 75. If I did like a 76, 65, I wouldn't have this problem. But yeah, I have to think about that. But you know, no real issues getting these things installed. You know, the player can mess up. I was getting a little bit too happy. It was moving too quick and drilled the hole. Was about to mount that there. You know, rivets and be done with it. I like it. You know, I really like it. It really cleans up the engine bay. So tell me what y'all think about it. If you're rocking hood struts, what brand do you have? Have you ever had any issues out of them? I don't remember how many years I've had this thing on here, maybe 5. But I don't think I'm quite true. I think this side is a little bit higher. And, you know, I can get a tape measure and measure how extended that side is to that side, but I really don't care, to be honest with you. So yeah, I appreciate y'all rocking with me with this video. Do me a solid, tell a couple of people about this channel. Until next time, God bless.